I got 6 ride on Saturday. In that I'm riding first girl one on second race. Okay, then she runs second in this season, and one opposition is Thanks. I think these both horses are there. Rest are okay.
The second race, I have a small filly called Thanks. She's done a good second last time out. She should run a good race. She's by Ampere, she needs more drip, but I'm taking her chances with her. She's a very small filly. She was one of the smallest Amperes. Mr. Shambruya gave me to train her because he couldn't sell her. She's a nice filly, but she needs to upgrade herself a little bit more from her last run.
I've got quite a few this weekend, and on Saturday I've got in the maiden race, that's the Razia Sultan Plate. I've got two debut runners, so I'm hoping they will run well.
My first ride is in the second race of the day, Saturday. It's a maiden race for 3-year-olds. The horse is called Mehernush. I've ridden him once earlier. I think that was his first forward run, and this time he runs in a 6, drawn a bit wide, which is not to his benefit because he lacks that initial speed. But he's brother to a very nice filly who I won on twice called Mirana.
Start as orders, they break away from the barrier. Perfect line out by all the 13 runners, and the one to shoot into the lead early is Galvan, followed by the Speedster one more time, along with Total Dark on the improve. They followed then by Shelly Ann crossing the 1000 as they go over the rise. Cosmic Run holds the fence, thanks between the runners, another length and a half to 2 behind Star Racer. On the outside of towards the fence is November Rain. They followed then by the one on the improve now is Mireya, followed by Exotic Dancer. They followed then by Bandit King. Inception comes in next, and last is Mehernush as they cross the 600-meter mark now. One more time showing the way by about 2.5 to the good of Galvan in pursuit. Thanks another 3 lengths behind. Total Dark on the outside of Galvan, half a length behind as they come into the straight, followed by Shelly Ann. They followed then by Cosmic Run as they come into the last 375 with one more time, and inching closer on the outside is Galvan. Tackles the leader. They go stride for stride. Better of the two is Galvan, stretching out by about a length and a half to 2 in front of Total Dark. Cosmic Run bridging the gap. They followed then by Thanks. Then comes November Rain with Galvan tiring out as Cosmic Run comes on the outside. Draws level, goes better by a neck, by a half, by a length at the post. So Cosmic Run wins, beating off Galvan. They followed then by November Rain, Total Dark. Then it was Bandit King, Star Racer, Thanks, Shelly Ann. One more time the leader, long time leader, packed off to finish 4th last. They followed then by Mehernush. Then it was Inception as they went past the line.
Hi Kiran, congratulations on your win.
Thank you so much.
Can you please tell us about the race?
It was an impressive win, and she was working well. We thought she'll run a race, but we didn't expect that she'll come out and win on the first run. But we are surprised and we are quite happy for that.
Did you have any particular strategy for today's win?
Nothing as such. My trainer just told me to sit 3rd, 4th and sit and come out, do your best.
Okay.
And I was surprised I won.